what's up guys? I'm hoping today to look at this product I bought to sort out this headlights because they are fading up a bit, and I'm hoping to restore them a bit better than what they are currently are. So the product I bought is this here. They say DIU headlight restoration. So we'll have to look and see what you have inside, and then we'll have to take it from there. Alright, so I have this DIU kit. It says a DIU headlight disposable restoration kit, and I'm really hoping it is going to resolve my problem with my headlights. I have the instructions here, and they say they prepare cleaner lens with water and the sanding, wet the sand disc and attach it to a backer pad, and then the polishing and then protection. And so yeah, we'll have to look and see. Well, let's see what we have inside. Okay, so I'll see, the first thing is more instructions. It's like all the stuff that you can probably get, well, it comes with it. And then you have a polishing paste, step 2. I'll show you step 1. Well, let's see, there's more stuff in there. So alright, so I'll take all this out and just look what you're getting here. You're getting all this sandpaper, tape, step 1, and then step 3. It's this guy here. Obviously that's the sander. You can then put a drill bit to it, or a drill rod, I say. Okay, so basically that's what you're going to get in the packet. I'm hoping it's going to work. The instructions goes up a little. So that came basically in the packet. I'll give it a try. In my next video I'll let you know. Thank you so much for watching.